Welcome to the Excel tutorial series on the Radiowave Technology Channel. Data validation ensures accurate and consistent data entry by restricting what users can input into cells. In this tutorial, we'll use a sales report to show how to apply data validation effectively. To restrict input to a drop-down list, we'll limit the region column to only allow specific values. Select the region column by highlighting the cells under the region column, from E2 to E5. Open Data Validation by going to the Data tab in the ribbon and clicking Data Validation in the drop-down menu. In the Settings tab, choose List under Allow. In the source box, type East, West, North, South. Click OK. Now, users will see a drop-down list with these options when they select a cell in the region column. To restrict performance ratings to a range, we'll ensure the performance % column only allows numbers between 0 and 100. Select the performance column by highlighting the cells from D2 to D5. Open Data Validation and choose Decimal under Allow. Set the minimum to 0.01 and the maximum to 1. This caters to percentages. To add an error message, go to the Error Alert tab, back in Data Validation from the Data Tools ribbon. Enter a title like Invalid Entry, and type a message like Performance must be between 0% and 100%. And that's it. You've now learned how to use data validation to control data entry and ensure consistency. In the next tutorial, we'll cover pivot tables to summarize data effectively. See you there.